Hello gang, I am in Northridge, California at the house of my friend Oscar. We're going to go off-roading today with a bunch of friends. Oscar's a 3-time Emmy Award-winning lighting designer from The Voice.
You got to pee or anything? Now would be the time to do it.
I'm in my 60s, I have to pee all the time. We're going with my friend Peter.
Why?
Who's my associate director?
I don't know. A little off-roading, a little hiking, a little eating, a little cigar smoking.
Ronnie, who's one of our amazing stage managers. Johnny, who's on the lighting team. And Wellesley. So how many phone calls have you been on already today?
I just hung up.
Who's the head janitor at The Voice. Nah, he's actually a technical director. I just like to call him the head janitor.
Sent an email this morning at 7:30.
And you've already been on a conference call. We're just going up past Mojave for the day. Going to go up to Jawbone, Dove Springs. Come with us. Left or right? Left. Left, okay.
You go right or left? Left.
Left. 2 lefts.
Copy.
Trails galore. Many trails as you want. Here we are on Dove Springs. Oh, is this a trail or road? I don't know what it is. Dove Springs OHV area. We are ready with steak, sausage, an Impossible Burger because homie don't eat meat.
There you go.
Grill. We got the grill, chairs, a view, and Ronnie Paul.
What more?
Who could ask for any more?
Oh yeah. All nothing but the best for us.
Mixed with something. See, they had it in like some big pitcher full of ice.
Well, here we are basking in the sunlight and bees, and oh, Peter's eating
Impossible Burger.
soy burgers.
Fantastic.
Oscar's not eating.
It's not true, I already ate.
We have this, and there's Ronnie Paul.
Kosher dog.
Kosher dog. Oh, kosher.
Nicely done.
And
Not
maybe
kosher. Look, like you're peeling it like Western style.
Like what?
Western style.
Yep.
Like you're going to go out and kill somebody after this.
Have you met your friend Oscar?
I might.
Okay, so there are a lot of bees around here, and I was having a beer, and a bee had flown inside my beer. I didn't know it. I took a swig, put the bee in my mouth basically, and it stung my tongue. Unbelievable.